Hey everyone, this is the first topic of Adobe Premiere Pro full course. In this, we will make a mini intro by using of Adobe Premiere Pro. If you don't have Adobe Premiere Pro installed, then you can download it from Adobe official website. If you want to download it for business purpose, it will cost you 2300 rupees per month, and if you are a student or teacher, it will cost you 1596 rupees per month. So, let's start without wasting any time. Let's launch the Premiere Pro. You can see that I already pin Adobe Premiere Pro in my taskbar. You can also open this from Start menu. Here you can also see all of these are Adobe software, and we will talk about these in other courses. So let's launch the Adobe Premiere Pro. In this episode, we will make a small video, so you can see that this window is pop up before entering the Adobe Premiere Pro. We can see the recent projects. Recent projects are all the saved old project that we have done before. You can see all my old projects are here. I think you will see black space here till now. So go to the new project and make new project. We can name it Introduction. After naming that, then hit the OK button below. So this is the layout of our Premiere Pro. This is our editing layout. This is our effect control. And this is our project media. We will import all the video here so that we can use it and also organize all of the video here. First of all, if you want to import any video in Premiere Pro, drag and drop is the simplest method to import any video. Let's take an example. This is the video in the folder. So if you want to import the video in the Premiere Pro, just the video toward the project media and copy it. It also highlighting copy, you can see that. After dropping it automatically import the video. Now if you click on the video, you can see the source video. If I want to edit the video, here we can't edit the video, it just added in the project media. We need this video in the sequence or timeline. For making the sequence, the simple method is just drag the video and drop it here. By this the video will add in the timeline and it will automatically make the sequence. You can also create a sequence simply by drag the media on new item icon below. You can see that our video is now in the timeline. Now this is the preview window. Here we can see what's going in the video. Select the effects control option to make editing easier. You can adjust the scaling of our timeline by dragging these points. Now we will make a small video. In that we add a small fade in the starting of the video and small fade at the ending of the video. And in the middle we put context. For adding fade in the video, just click on the video clip in the timeline. You can see that clip is not selected, so if you want to use the effect control, then you have to select the clip in the timeline. You can see the effect control panel now, and now you can adjust the motion, opacity, and basically all the effects in this panel. So we are using a simple effect. What we'll be doing is make a keyframe in the opacity. By this you can see drag the video, and you can choose where you want to make keyframe. It's on 0 second. So we will make a keyframe here. Here you can see the keyframe option is already clicked. You need to select the stopwatch icon to select the keyframe option. Remember one thing, if you click on this icon again, then your all of the keyframes will be deleted. It's very helpful to make editing easier. You can see that here is the keyframe on 100% opacity, so bring it down to 0%. After that, what we will do is that we make another keyframe after 8 seconds. We just drag our playhead to the right side and also use the timeline scaling option. No, it will be so long, so we just go to only 1 second. After that, we make another keyframe. Simply click on this icon to make keyframes. By this option, you can add keyframes multiple times and bring opacity up to 100%. Now you can see that a simple fade is created in the starting of the video and is looking great also. Like this we make another fade. We just go at the end of the clip and make another keyframe and keep the opacity at 100%. Then after 1 second make another keyframe and down it to 0%. Now you can see that our video is now ending with a fade. You can see the keyframe in this workspace. So now we created our video fades. Now it starts and ends with a fade. Now if you want to make a cut in the video, at the middle of the video, if you want to make a cut, what can we do is just press C. By pressing C, you can see that our mouse cursor changed to as razor tool. We can make cut with this tool. Here I am making 1, 2, 3, 4 cuts in the clip. By this our clip is chopped into pieces where we make our cut. This is how you can use the razor tool. I am just undo these cuts because I don't need this. Now you can see that our fade is completed and now we have to add a text in the video. For adding text just press T and in the video preview panel click anywhere where you want to put the text. After clicking you can see the red box. In that box you can type text here. I'm typing friends. Now we have written friends and if you want to increase the size, click on the selection tool and just increase the size of the text by stretching it. You can also align the text by dragging options simply. Now in this graphical pink tab is your friend's text layer in your timeline. Now if you want to reduce the time size of the text, first method is to just grab the end and drag it. And a longer method is to press C and chop it where you want and clear the part that you doesn't want in your video. Now you can see that our simple video is created. Here you can see our video start with a simple fade. And here we can also see there are added text friends in the middle of video and then it just also ended with a simple fade. Now I will just tell you a different thing that replaced the longer fade method. You can see the effects tab here, just press it and then in effect search bar need to type cross dissolve. Or you can also find it under the video transitions tab. You just have to grab the effect and drop it at the end of the clip. By this it will create the fade in the end of the video. By using this method, you don't need to work on keyframes. You just create a fade effect easily. As same you can drop the effect in the starting of the video. You can adjust the timing of the effect by select the effect and dragging the effect as per need. If you are satisfied with this effect, then you can also use the effect further. This is how you can create a simple video like this. This is it for this topic. Stay tuned with us. We will discuss about how you can create a project in the next topic. Hey everyone, now we will jump into the basic section on your course. In this topic, we will learn about how you can create a project. After opening the Premiere Pro, in the left side of tab you can see the new project. Just click on it. Now you can see a new tab pops up. Here you can name the project. Let's just name it sample project. In this pop-up window, we got multiple options to choose, but this time we don't have to change the other stuff in this. Select the browse option. By this option, you can browse and change the save location of your project. So I am browsing this project and saved it in my folder as Premiere Pro course. Now you can see the Premiere Pro workspace. Here is all the stuff like learning, editing, effect, etc. that we will learn in the future episodes. We are just talking about the new project creation in this episode. Premiere Pro allows us to create multiple projects at a time. In this panel, we will import our media like audios, videos, and images in it. For creating another project, we just have to go on the Files tab, then select New. After that, hit Project, and the shortcut is Ctrl+, Alt+N. We can just name it to Sample Project 2. can see that there are two projects are created here, sample project 1 and 2. This is how you can create a project in Premiere Pro. This is it for this topic. We will discuss about layouts in the next topic. Hey everyone, in this topic we will talk about the importance of importing and organizing media. If you want to import your media, I have already told that in previous episodes, fast grab and drop method is the fastest method. So now we will do it again. Here is the project media now. We have to import our video in project media tab. Simply these are the videos that I want to import in project media tab. This is the Premiere Pro auto save option files. It will automatically save the project after some seconds so that if some cases your software get crashed, then you can open that files again without losing something. These are our saved projects of Adobe Premiere Pro and these are the videos for importing process. I just select them all and drag it to the project media and drop it here. After some seconds, it will shoot up here 1, 2, 3 videos. For organizing the stuff, what we will do is, if these videos are related to one specific like these 3 video are happy friendship video, then you can put it in a different folder. For making folder, need to create new bin. Let's name the folder sample, and if you want to move to the folder, you just have to select them all and move it to the folder, and then our video moved to the sample folder. So this is how you can organize and import video in Adobe Premiere Pro, and this is the easiest method to import and organize the media. I will also tell you a longer method that you probably less use is just go to File, here select Import from drop-down menu, and then you can select the videos from your desired system location that you want to import. Here is a video, and after selecting the videos, you can just press the Open option. In my case, I don't need video double, so I just throw it in the Clear section. This is how you can import the media in Premiere Pro. And if you want the video in the timeline, just grab the videos and drop it to the timeline. By this, all of the videos will appear in the timeline. This is it for this topic. We will discuss how to make sequence in the next topic. Hey everyone, in this video we will learn how to create a sequence in Adobe Premiere Pro. So in the previous topic, we see that how you can import and organize the media in Premiere Pro. Now we will talk about sequence. Here you can see that drag the media in timeline to create a sequence easily. You can also see a long method to create the sequence. Just go to Files, then select New. After that, click on Sequence. And here you have the option to choose any sequence from them as per your needs. But in Premiere Pro, you can make sequence in very short method, where Premiere Pro automatically make the sequence. This sequence is created, so I am deleting this sequence. So for creating sequence in a simple way, you just have to grab the video and drop it on new item. By this it automatically create a sequence. It will copy the sequence of the video that you dragged to the timeline. Now to check the sequence or changing the sequence, just go to Sequence on the top menu bar, then select the sequence settings from drop down. Now you can see the resolution of the video here. Here you can also see the video frame size. So this is about how you can create a sequence and check your sequence resolution. Now if your video resolution is high and you want a lower sequence, then what we have to do is just go to Sequence on the top menu bar, then select the sequence settings from drop down. Now you can see the resolution of the video here. Now you can change the both horizontal or vertical video frame sizes as per your requirement. Now after applying in 100% scale, it zooms in the preview window just down the scale. Now it fully covers the preview window in just 50% scale. This is how you can change the sequence and make the sequence. In the next topic, we will talk about
these tools and how we can use them.
So jump into the next topic. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like and share the video.